All you need to get more firewood and leave it on fire day and night before you can grind this one.
Is this the same thing they put in the hair?
No, it's different. This one came from the back.
That's a complete product, the black dye.
It's a natural dye.
Which we're going to use to be Adinkra printing.
The hair as well.
No, you can't use this one for your head. No.
Bark is it coming from, bro? Which bark?
Badie.
Badie?
Badie.
Yes. Badie bark.
Okay.
Badie bark.
No, the dye, you can't use this one to dye your head. No. This one, only the printing for Adinkra. Only the print. When you have your symbols or the stamps, then you can stamp any design if you want. Okay? So let's go out and see the symbols.
Yes, my sister, you look excited, like you ready to get all of these Adinkra symbols and stamp them over all of your beautiful cloths that you're going to be buying all day today.
Yeah, they're great, but I got so many last year, so I'm going to let the other tour members spend all their money this year. So
I think it's a good plan. I like that. Yeah. I feel the same way.
yeah, I mean, they're just gorgeous.
Yes, that's so cool.
So these are all of the beautiful Adinkra prints that people have as an option to make their cloths. So the cloths that you have over here are the kente cloths with the stamps for completed jobs. But what everyone is going to do, they're going to buy a cloth with no stamps on there and create their own pattern. Unique, very, very unique.
I'm rich.
And as you can see, everybody's just excited, everybody's just ready to get their cloths and start doing their Adinkra printing.
When you buy the stamps, you get your ink.
Oh yeah, man, this is the exciting part. You make your own cloth. Aren't you excited? You get to make your own cloth? Don't you just feel like that's doing jumping jacks?
It's a little too hot for that one.
Right, we are ready for the cloths.
If someone wants to buy the symbols, you come to the board, you can buy some. But if you want to do your own printing, you can choose the symbols. They have different colors here, and they're going to guide you for you to make your own. If you want to do that, it's up to you.
Excellent, excellent.
Okay.
So what is the meaning? You have a book to show the meaning. Somebody the paper's over there. The paper's over there. Who was asking for the meaning? So what does this mean?
Yes,
the paper's right there with that young man. You see that young man with the white shirt? Do not boast. This is